me just as a viewer of the
Your
movie.
name, sorry?
Aina.
Okay.
Yeah, for me just as a viewer of this movie, I can say that at the beginning it was not easy. Maybe if I was home I would stop the movie. But I have to say that after we were getting into the performance of them, because even there is just few actors, it's the same scenario all the time, and they're playing with, as we said, with the colors and with the music, so it's really interesting and it becomes really intense with just few of them. But I would like to to take this chance just to, it's off topic of the movie, to say just goodbye, because I'm leaving next week for good. So I would like to thank the Studio Urba that I enjoy a lot this time here with you. I'm so happy to meet at the beginning of the year. I wish it was before. That enjoy organizing the Spanish Film Festival. It was really nice, and well, all the moments here and all the movies. So thank you for all. You're doing a great job. It's really nice. So wish you all the best.
Thank you.